In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom categories in Tiller. First, let's get oriented inside your spreadsheet. Open your Tiller workbook and look along the bottom for the tab labeled Categories. Click that to bring up the master list that drives how your spending and income are organized. This is the control center for your budget labels, and any changes you make here will ripple through your reports and dashboards. You'll see example categories already in place. These are just placeholders to show you how things are set up. To make this sheet your own, simply overwrite those examples with names that match your life. If you prefer to keep the examples, you can also scroll to the bottom and add your new categories there. The template supports up to 200 unique categories and 20 groups, which is plenty for most budgets. If you're approaching those limits, consider consolidating similar items to keep things manageable. As you edit, keep naming clean and consistent. Short, clear names like groceries, rent, or electric bill make it easier to spot patterns later. Avoid near duplicates that differ only by capitalization or punctuation, since those will appear as separate categories. Also, be careful not to change or delete the column headers. Stick to editing the rows where the example categories live. Each category needs two key settings, a type and a group. The type tells Tiller whether the category is income, expense, or transfer. Choose income for money coming in, such as paycheck or interest. Choose expense for money going out, like dining out or internet. Use transfer for money moved between your own accounts, such as credit card payments, savings transfers, or moving funds from checking to an investment account. Transfers are helpful because they don't overstate your spending or income in reports. They simply record movement between your accounts. Next, assign a group to each category. Groups are the broader buckets that your categories roll up into, like food, housing, transportation, or utilities. They make summary views and budgets easier to read by clustering related categories. Keep group names consistent so your dashboards remain tidy. If a category doesn't have a group, it may show up as uncategorized in some summaries, so it's worth taking a moment to assign one. Once you've overwritten the examples or added your categories at the bottom and you've set the type and group for each, you're done. Your custom categories are ready to use across your Tiller solutions, helping you see and manage your money with clarity.